let you go. So let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow.
Alright guys, we are back and I have more goodies to show y'all. Of course, it's so like me, right? So, now that I done zipped up the daggone thing in the zipper. Okay, let's see what we got in this bag. Y'all already know what this bag has in it because y'all know what the bags look like. Anyway, so we're gonna start with pulling out the little goodies that it comes with. Of course, it comes with some wig caps and a hair clip. I love when they be sending me wig caps because I feel like I get a different one every single time, and it changes the melt for real. Like, and of course they sent me some lashes. They're actually cute. Might have to wear them for real. Let's get into the wig. So this is actually a 22-inch 613 13x4 body wave wig. Now knowing me, I'm gonna dye it because I never did blonde. I don't know. I don't really want to do blonde either. Maybe I will. Maybe. Heavy on the maybe. And this is what we looking like. And the lace is pretty thin. It looks pretty good. But as of right now, the quality is good. Let's see if it's shedding. Okay, we getting some shedding. We are getting some shedding. I'm like pulling it. It's pretty normal for a blonde wig to shed though. And we're not getting too much. It's not too crazy. It's just like a couple strands. But like I said, I'll definitely come back when I do... Whoa! That was a good catch. I'll definitely come back when I do the color so y'all can see how I do it. Y'all definitely should comment down below what color I should do, because I really don't know what color I'm doing yet. I might do orange. I've been thinking about doing orange lately. Of course, my man want me to do blue. Probably will do blue. Might even do purple. I don't know. But I've been waiting for a wig like this so that I could pick what color I want to do and just do a color. So, yeah. All right, there we have it for the unboxing, guys. Shout out to Leeyond Wig for sponsoring this video. But yeah. Of course, I'll leave all info in the description box so you guys can check it out. And like I said, I'll be back with the rest of the content. Okay, bye.